My journey to getting married. Hi, my name is Annika, and I'm getting married soon. It's an exciting time in my life, filled with joy, nervousness, and a little bit of chaos. Planning a wedding and preparing for this new chapter has been a whirlwind experience, and I'd love to share it with you. It all started with the proposal. A moment I'll never forget. It wasn't grand or flashy. It was simple and heartfelt, just the way I like it. He took me to our favorite spot, a quiet park where we've spent so many evenings talking about life. As we sat on a bench watching the sunset, he looked at me, smiled, and said, "Will you spend the rest of your life with me?" I was so overwhelmed that I couldn't speak for a moment, but when I did, I said, "Yes." It felt like the beginning of something beautiful. The wedding preparations. Now that the date is set, the preparations are in full swing. Planning a wedding is a mix of excitement and stress. There's so much to think about. Choosing the venue, deciding on the guest list, picking out outfits, and coordinating with family and friends. One of the first things we decided on was the venue. We wanted a place that felt warm and welcoming. Somewhere that reflected our personalities. We finally found a beautiful garden venue with lots of greenery and flowers. Perfect for an intimate yet lively celebration. The wedding dress. Finding the perfect dress was both fun and challenging. I tried on so many dresses before finding the one. When I saw myself in the mirror wearing that dress, I knew it was perfect. It was elegant, simple, and made me feel like a queen. My friends and family were with me, helping me make the decision, and their excitement made the moment even more special. Emotions and excitement. As the day gets closer, my emotions are all over the place. I feel so happy to be starting this new journey with someone I truly love. But at the same time, I'm nervous about all the changes that come with marriage. Leaving my family home is going to be bittersweet. I've lived here my whole life, surrounded by my loved ones, and the thought of moving out makes me emotional. But I'm also excited to create a new home with my partner, filled with love and shared dreams. The guest list and celebrations. One of the biggest challenges has been deciding on the guest list. We want to invite everyone we care about, but we also want to keep the wedding small and personal. It's been tricky finding the right balance, but in the end, we know it will be a day filled with love and laughter. We've planned some fun pre-wedding celebrations too. There will be a small mehndi ceremony and a dinner with close friends and family. I can't wait to dance, laugh, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Looking forward. As I think about the future, I feel grateful for the love and support of my family and friends. They've been by my side through every step of this journey, and their encouragement means the world to me. Marriage feels like a big step, but it's also a beautiful one. I'm looking forward to building a life with my partner, creating new traditions, and facing whatever comes our way together. This is my story so far. If you've been married, I'd love to hear your experiences. What advice would you give someone getting married soon? For those who aren't married yet, how do you imagine your wedding day?